Performing Perspectives, a Collection and Dialogue is a major reinstallation of the Bass's permanent collection. The exhibition developed over considerable time as we began to rethink and ask questions related to what is a permanent collection, what role does it serve a museum and its audiences, what can the works communicate to contemporary audiences. The idea of performance came up naturally in these conversations because works in many museum collections are often called upon to communicate something, either about the moment of creation, the materials, the subject matter, and that communication changes based on the time in which a work of art is experienced and its relationship to its surroundings.
Of the three sections, performance of self perhaps aligns most closely with our own experiences of self-presentation. This section prompts viewers to consider how presenting and negotiating identity have evolved over time, reflecting shifting social values and cultural influences. At the entrance of the exhibition, Francesco Bottocini's Portrait of a Young Man. This early Renaissance piece in many ways sets the stage for themes explored in this section and the exhibition overall.
Viewers see in the first section Namjoon Paik's Lucy and a work by Alex Israel. Both portraits of a different nature, but reflective of art's long responsibility to portray and represent a likeness, such as the self-portrait by Israel, or, more generally, in Paik's case, a larger-than-life portrait bust composed of televisions, circuit boards, and found electronic parts, highlighted by anthropological video footage that explores the evolution of humans into technological beings. The second section, titled Backdrop for Performance, takes a decided focus on infrastructures, acknowledging the fact that humans are innately responsive to the environments and situations they experience. In commonly shared spaces like a school, library, or museum, the performance of social interactions is often modeled through observing others, creating a shared understanding of how to act in specific environments.
Within this section, national identity emerges as a potent theme that dissects how political legacies and cultural histories serve as backdrops shaping individual and collective experiences. This is exemplified in Jan Vo's We the People, Detail, an abstract copper sculpture that's part of a series comprising 300 similar works. If brought together and assembled, these works would form a full-scale replica of the Statue of Liberty. At the artist's request, however, they remain scattered across the globe, never to be unified. The lone fragment here at the Bass challenges the idea of a cohesive national identity in an increasingly fragmented world.
The last section is called Indexicality of Performance. Here, one finds overlaps with the previous two sections, supporting the overall undergirding of the exhibition and the fact that works of art and the ideas they communicate can change depending on the context in which we experience them.
Ellen Harvey's The Nudist Museum, for example, examines how perceptions of the nude body, particularly the female nude, are shaped by different frameworks. In this work, the artist reinterprets nudes from the Bass's founding collection, placing them in dialogue with images of similarly nude bodies taken from contemporary magazines. Through this juxtaposition, Harvey questions constructions of beauty and the values attributed to representations of women across time.
Performing Perspectives, a collection and dialogue, encourages deeper consideration of the narratives that unfold from the museum collection and bring multiple perspectives into focus, offering insights into how artists create their works and how we as viewers perceive and experience them.